Page wise. Page number 1, item numbers 1 to 10. Page number 2, item numbers 11 to 22. Page number 3, item numbers 23 to 32. Page number 4, item numbers 33 to 42. Page number 5, item numbers 43 to 52. Out of list.
In this matter, I filed vacate stay, Your Lordship,
Yes.
and permission to withdraw the deposited amount, Your Lordship. It can be limited. Oh, bless.
CF4 after
AS 257 of 22 Milan, in which we filed IA Milan, proceedings Milan. That's why because
all right, give the slip.
May please, my lord, subject to my lord's permission.
Yes.
This is a first appeal of 2020, my lord. Interlocutory applications are pending. I filed a
What
stay.
are the applications?
One is that for the dismissal of the AS itself, my lord.
All right, we will see.
Much obliged.
Will you 6, 7th, 8th, 2020.
Yes.
AI is seeking stay on executive process.
The appeal has been numbered. It is pending, or it is.
Was numbered Lordship.
Just give the sitting.
Appeal of year 2020.
Yes.
So initially it was listed, my lord, but not reached. IA is pending for hearing, my lord.
All right.
Lordship, AS 104/23, my lordship. Previous occasion, it was listed for the personal, serving the personal notice. Personal notice being served, and the other side has filed the wakalat, my lordship. Since then, it was not listed.
Please.
Much obliged.
Item number 1, Sri Raipurul Srikanth.
Please, Your Lordship, my Lordship, there is a delay in presentation of
IA number 1, issue notice both ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Item number 2, Sri Amarke Chakravarti, VV Ravi Prasad.
Yes.
This matter, I have filed an application to put up the synopsis and record, because it was in the CAV caption. The registry was unable to send it.
All being mentioned. All right, please take down. It court slip. This matter was listed. This matter has been listed on the request made on behalf of the learned counsels for both the sides on the court slip. Full stop. They have submitted the synopsis. So what is IA number 1 of 25?
25 is a stay petition, my lord, in which orders were reserved. Order 41, Rule 5.
This is in IA?
IA, my lord.
All right.
Stay petition.
Have submitted the synopsis. Most of the further submit that no further arguments are not advanced in this said IA. Full stop. Reserve for orders.
Deeply obliged.
Both synopsis are.
Both synopses are there.
Both synopsis are there. They have filed their respective.
Item number 3, Sri G. Samba Murthy.
Yes.
May permitted to represent on behalf of appeal and counsel, my lord. The present appeal, my lords, filed challenging the decree and judgment, my lords, in OS number 14 of 2015. But the grounds, my lords, I have raised that the date of the decree and the judgment, different dates, my lords. Date of the decree and the date of the judgment are two different dates. Kindly see page number 14, my lords. date of decree, my lords, is 15th day of April 2025.
The decree is drawn afterwards.
My lords.
Decree is drawn afterwards.
Yes, but the date of date of judgment is 9th day of April 2025.
Yes.
But the date of the decree is 15th day of April 2025.
Yes.
And that too, my lords, there are the two suits, my lords, filed OS 35 of 2014 and OS 114 of 2015.
What is the suit nature?
My lords, the suit I have filed, my lords, OS number 35 of 2014.
Yes.
For declaration of title
Yes.
of the first appellant for item numbers 1 and 2 in the plain schedule property.
Yes.
And my lords, consequently, I have requested, my lords, by eviction of the first respondent and his men.
What is the other suit?
My lords, the other suit, my lords, filed by the respondent and his mother for cancellation of the registered gift deeds, my lords, executed in favor of the appellants herein. Page number 18, my lords, which I have filed.
What has happened? Your suit has been dismissed.
My suit has been dismissed and the respondent's and his mother's suit has been allowed, cancelling, my lords, my registered gift deeds.
What is the relationship between parties?
My lords, the parties are, my lords, is
They are related.
they are the family members, my lords, relatives.
So that gift deed was executed by whom?
By the appellant number 1 herein.
No, gift deed was executed by whom?
By the first appellant, my lords. The first appellant, my lords, executed a gift deed in favor of appellant number 2 and 3.
Yes.
The challenging the gift deeds, my lords, the defendant number 1 has filed a suit. That is Chundur Jagannath, my lords.
There are two appeals. You have filed two appeals.
Yes, my lords, the other one is yet to be listed, my lords.
Yet to be listed.
Yes, my lords.
Because this is 361. This is by the defendants. This is by the defendants.
I'm for the defendant appellants, my lords.
Yes, please state down. What is the number of that appeal?
Lords, it was not
The
yet.
common judgment is there.
Yes, my lord, but two different judgments, my lord, has passed
There are two different judgments in different suits, or the common order is there.
on the common deed.
This is the common judgment.
My lord, but there are this is regarding to only 114, my lord.
This is what. Yes, please take down. Okay, this appeal has been filed by the defendants 1 to 3 in OS number 114 of 2015. Full stop. Learned counsel for the appellants submits that another suit being OS number 35 of 2014 filed by the present appellants
Yes, my lords.
was also decided by the common judgment dated. He submits that the appellants. You have filed the appeal, or
Yes, my lords. It was numbered also, my lords. I will give the number, my lords.
Have filed another appeal in the registry which has not been listed. Full stop. List this appeal along with AS number such as
I will pass on. Obliged.
Item number 4, Sri G. Ramagopal.
Plaintiff's first appeal, my lord, against dismissal of my lord, his suit, basing on a promissory note. My lord, there is a delay of 15 days. My lord, I have my lord, served a notice. I have my lord, served a notice, my lord, and filed proof of service on 17/4/2025, my lord. USR
the notice. You have served the notice.
USR, my lord, 4188 of 25.
The report officer. The office to submit fresh service report. As per the office report dated 23/6/2025, the notice sent to the respondent has not been received back. Full stop. The same was sent on 3/10/24 under the registered cover. Full stop. Next paragraph. As per the memo of proof of service, the respondent has been served. Full stop. The service on the respondent in IA number 1 of 24 is sufficient. IA number 1 of 24 is for condonation of delay in filing the appeal of 15 days. There is no representation for the respondent. Stop. Any objection to this application has also not been filed. Having considered the submissions advanced and application is allowed, the delay is condoned. Is the appeal for admission.
Item numbers 5 to 11, Sri G. Vivekanand, VV Ravi Prasad, GP for Revenue.
Matters may kindly be passed over, my lord. His senior is on his legs in the next court.
What is the matter? They are batch matters.
The batch matters, my lord, arising out of a common judgment whereby and whereunder my Patadar passbooks and title deeds have been cancelled. And I was directed to be relegated to a civil court, my lord. That is the age.
All right.
DPS.
Item number 12, Sri S. N. Chidambara Sastri.
No representation for the appellant. List again.
Item number 13, Sri M. Sri Achyut, Ramesh Babu Tatapudi.
Same order.
Item numbers 14 and 15. Sri Valluru Chetan Sushil, DS Sivadarsan.
Yes.
That my lord, as far as the my lord, amendment of record of and there are no my lord, application for such a my lord amendment.
You are for the?
I am for the my lord appellant. But
Yes. Yes, what do you say?
My lord, sir, for the writ petitioner in both of these writ
Yes. Yes.
we have to file our counters in both matters, my lord.
What counter is to be filed in the appeals?
date file counsel, my lord, the time of admission hardship, so please to ask them to file an affidavit that the proceedings which are which was my lord done.
All right. MS so and so appearing for respondent numbers. Appearing for the respondent within bracket date petitioners. To file the counter affidavit, to enable to file the counter affidavit.
In the second case, my lord, the 15th item, I filed it along with the leave application.
You are seeking counter in serial number 14 or in both the
In
cases?
both the cases, my lord.
Yes.
For respondent
14 and 15. Counter. Yes, what time you want?
Leave application.
All right.
2
What
weeks,
time?
ma'am.
2 weeks कर देंगे इसको. 3 weeks कर देंगे. Yes, what is in serial number 15 further? You have filed some application seeking leave to file writ appeal.
Yes.
So why leave? You were not party?
He is not a party to the writ petition. Pending the writ petition, my lord, the certain expense were purchased by the applicant, my lord, the appellant in this. His name is also
IA number 2 of 25 in writ appeal number 4 after the counter. After the counter it will become.
Item numbers 16 to 23. KV Vijay Kumar, YV Anil Kumar.
The interim order granted earlier. The interim order is only in one case or in both the cases?
only first case it is there.
Just please verify and extend. Yes.
Yes, Milan. I am for the petitioner's Milan. My learned friend said that would file counters in all the IAS, Milan.
Yes, what do you say?
Learns in a confidence.
Yes.
Sorry, man. And in these matters,
All these matters are of 25. There is some application to condone the delay.
but there is a delay of condonation of 5,600 days delay,
5,000.
14 years of delay in filing application for abatement. My lord, in spite of my information,
So you want to file counter?
my lord, file. The problem is here, we have not filed wakalat. My lord, we were actually the LRs of my lord, actually the first defendant. My lord, we have assisted the court when the matter was actually listed earlier. My lord, we were not on parties, so that's why, my lord, I feel, my lord, the notice has to go.
Those applications,
My lords,
are for bringing on record the legal representatives.
that's what, my lord.
You want to file objection or the notice is to go?
That's what notice has to go, my lord, because files are already not with me also.
All right. Yes, please check down. On 1/7/25, following order was passed. First of Learned Counsel, Sri so and senior advocate appearing for the respondent. These are old matters of 2006.
Old matters.
Submits that the aforesaid applications have been filed from a highly belated and in the meantime and the respondents are not in touch with the appellants with the council. So consequently he prays for issue of notices to the proposed legal representatives in those applications. Issue notice to the proposed legal representatives. Yes, 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Both ways.
All the respondents, Milan, are only the LRs. Notice that would go to only LRs or the all respondents?
No, only the LRs.
Much obliged.
Only the LRs.
Item numbers 24 and 25. Sri M. Venkatramana Reddy, T. Balaji.
In 25, my lord, I have filed incomplete petition, my lord. That may be ordered, my lord. And there is delay in representation, my lord, because of vacation I could not.
IA number 2 is for impleadment.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you say on this application?
I leave it to your lordship. In my application, your lordship is allowed the IML.
IA number 2. In case number 190.
Item 25, madam.
Item 25. Ace number 190.
190, my lord.
IA number 2 of 2020. See, is an application to implead. IA 1 is for condonation of delay in objection after having considered by the learned counsel for the applicants. The application is allowed. Learned counsel for the appellant reports no objection.
IA 2 is, my lord, implead, my lord. 2 is implead, my lord.
Yes. One is also there. One is for condonation of delay also.
In representation, my
Whatever it is.
lord.
Both have been allowed.
Oblige.
Serial 25. What is serial 24 then?
Already allowed, my lord.
Already allowed.
Yes.
Implead, that also implead, madam, your lord.
List along with
Against
case number 190.
oblige.
List along with.
Item numbers 26 to 28. Sri Venkateswarrao Godapati, Ratan Babu, Sandip.
That's a delay in it's restoration petition, my lords. We are ready with the booklets as well.
Who is appearing for respondent? Who is appearing for respondent?
Narasimha Sharma, my lords.
IA number 1 and IA number 2 of 25 issue notice.
Item numbers 29 to 32. Sri Raj J. Janaki Ram.
I'm representing my lord appellant counsel in item number 32. My lord is laid up with viral fever. Lordship may kindly grant 2 weeks time. This matter is batch of.
Yes, what is
Application is pending. I have no objection. My implead application is pending. Urgent.
seeking adjournment on the account of filing. Serial number 32.
Yes, my lords.
All your application is pending in which case?
In first case,
What case?
2. Yes,
Applications are
290.
one application is pending, my lord, for passing a final decree. Consent with regard to items which are. And then, my lord, several applications are pending, my lord. Needs to be adjourned.
No, the serial number 29 is after 1 week along with the batch.
Item numbers 33 to 38. Sri A. Srinath, Patanjali Pamidiganta.
My lord, in item 35 and 37, my lord, I am representing the appellant counsel, my lord. My lord, in item 35, a injunction petition was filed. Push for a passover, my lord, counsel is passover published.
Item numbers 39 to 44. Sri Vedula Srinivas, G. Sravan Kumar.
No representation from either side. List again.
Item numbers 45 and 46. Sri M.V. Suresh.
On 14/7/25, the following order was passed. Today also there is no representation. Dismissed. Both the matters.
Item number 47. The Advocate General Sri V.V.S. Ravi Kumar.
No representation from either side. List again.
Item number 48. Sri Rambabu Koppinidi. Dasri S.V.V.S.V. Prasad.
Yes.
Kindly have this matter next week, my lord. Request has been made.
Your counsel on record?
I'm representing Mr. Rambabu Koppin.